today is a day I want to talk about the Nissan Leaf, because again, it's a possible contender. It's been going since 2011. The first one, obviously early development, but they spent a ton of money on it. Then they brought out a 30 kilowatt. They went out a little bit further, but problem is they use all those silly claims it couldn't do the mileage they said it could do. But still a great, amazing, great car, pioneering. And then they've now brought out the 40 kilowatt facelift version, basically, of the Nissan, that potentially could get me there and back with a little bit left over, potentially. But some of the reviews I've seen are saying that the Nissan, on like a rubbish day, cold day, can get like 100 miles out of it still, and that's concerning. There is the 40 kilowatt for a start is I think about 27 grand. That's a lot of money, but 27 grand. And then they brought out like the E Plus that I think might be bigger batteries at 60 kilowatt. Don't quote me on that, but that claims to go even further. But that's getting into Tesla money. And at that point you go, well, do you know what? Tesla looks nicer, so I'd have a Tesla, but they're too expensive. So I can't afford the Tesla, and I can't afford the more expensive Nissan Leaf. But I possibly could afford the 40 kilowatt. So it's potentially there, but reviews are scaring me off it a little bit, because I really want to know it can make it there. It's got to be able to do 100 miles round trip without any problems, and I mean in winter, not in winter. So that's concerning me. So it might be a visit, possible test drive at a dealer, and see if I can test drive it again for sort of 24 hours, make sure I can get there and get back, potentially. But I don't know, because of the, people are saying what they're saying, and the thing is, we're in summer now. I don't want to wait to winter just to try a car in winter, so that kind of concerns me a little bit. So I don't know. Nissan Leaf is a contender, but it's at the bottom of the list currently. The Renault Zoe currently is at the top. So between the two contender cars that I found, and they share a lot of the same kind of platform, and they've got like some kind of alliance going on, the Zoe's kind of winning. I prefer the look of the Nissan, but the Zoe's winning. So I don't know. Do I just go and test drive a Zoe? Forget the Nissan? I don't know. But it's there. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But thanks for watching.